Now the last structure which is available in decision making structure, that is nested if structure. First of all, let me explain what is nested. Nested means nothing but when we are writing if then else. Suppose if I am writing if condition then, if I am writing if condition then, again if after that statement block one will come, statement block 1. Okay, then I am writing else. Again if I am writing after else, again if I am writing if condition then, if condition then, again I am writing statement block 2, statement block 2, again else, again if I am writing if condition then, statement block 3, again if I am writing else. So when if condition then statement block 1 if then else is written, another if then else, again another one is written, in third one if then else. So this structure is called as nested. Nested मतलब हमने एक बार if then else लिखा, if लिखा, then लिखा, else लिखा, फिर से हम उसके अंदर और एक if then else लिख रहे हैं, फिर से तीसरा लिख रहे हैं, मतलब एक के स्ट्रक्चर के अंदर दूसरा स्ट्रक्चर. In second structure we are writing third if then else, again in third we are writing fourth. So this structure is called as nested if structure. Now children, what is the working of nested if structure? Let me read out from your study material one time what the lines are written. That is, this selection structure performs a multiple test for multiple cases till the condition evaluated is true. Means first of all this structure will perform multiple tests. Multiple test means first it will check first test. If it is getting false, again it will go for second test. Again if it is getting false, again it will go for third test. So like this it will go until and unless it will not get the true statement. So it will go by again and again it will go for multiple test cases. Again it will go until and unless it will not get any condition as true. जब तक उसको एक आधी भी स्टेटमेंट ट्रू नहीं मिलता है तब तक वो टेस्ट करते जाएगा, कंडीशन चेक करते जाएगा और टेस्ट करते जाएगा, उसके बाद ही वो स्टेटमेंट प्रिंट करेगा. So this is all about nested if structure. In nested if structure what happens children? One if then else contain another if then else. Another if then else contain third if then else. And at last what happens children? This it will go for 3 times or 4 times. It depends upon the question, what the teacher is giving you the question. Okay. If else, if else, if else. And how many times you have done, how many times you have used if? 3 times. First time, second time, third time. So how many times it will get ended? 3 times. And if, you will write 1 time. Again end if, second time. And end if, third time. How many times you will open if statement? That many times it will get ended by if statement. And it depends upon the program, how the program, if the program is given to you to print the color name for a given color code. One color code is given and you have to print the color for that code. If 3 colors are given, so 3 conditions will come. If 5 colors are given, so 5 conditions will come. It depends upon the program what they are giving. If they are giving 3 conditions for R, red, for green, G, and for blue, B. So if 3 conditions are given, so you will write 3 times you will check. Code equal to G, so you should print green color. If code is equal to B, so you should print blue color. If code is equal to R, so you should print red color. So according to the question, that many times if will be written. But when one if then else is containing another if then else, at least more than one. अगर 2 भी if then else रहते हैं एक ही प्रोग्राम में, then it is called as nested if structure. Nested means one if then else contains another if then else. Second if then else contains third if then else. So this structure is called as nested if structure. this is have you understood, dear children, what is nested if structure? So all these 3 videos based on today's topic. After revising, you should read or you should view all these videos, and at last I ask you some questions based on these 3 videos. Thank you.